Acumatica is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning software that features a multitude of tools and specs that cater to the requirements of various enterprises. Acumatica offers a wide range of services and features, dashboards, reporting tools, and more. It is featuring financial management, deferred revenue accounting, requisition management, service and support automation, material requirements planning, purchase order management, sales order management, project cost tracking, and inventory management. Why choose Acumatica? It also provides field services management in SaaS and on-premise switching. It is a web-based software also supported in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, also in Android and iPhone. Explore detailed product overview and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all at anytechtrial.com.